Here I've got General Mobile GM8 Go, and let me show you how to activate airplane mode on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here let's go to Network and Internet. And at the bottom of the list you will notice airplane mode. Simply by tapping on the switcher, you can switch off all the connections. Then if you would like to go back to the normal mode, just tap on the same icon one more time. You can also have a quick access to this mode through the upper bar. Simply slide down the upper bar and now locate airplane mode icon, click on it, and that's it. Now it's active. Then if you would like to switch it off, just click on it one more time to switch it off. And that would be all. So this is how you can activate plane mode on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.